My name is Paul Poodt, and I'm the manager of the shared research program Spatial Atomic Layer Deposition at Holst Centre and TNO in Eindhoven, the Netherlands. The idea of Spatial ALD, how we do this at TNO, was conceived in 2008, and in 2009 we started a project to do a proof of principle of the concept of Spatial ALD. And around the same time, our neighbors from the University of Eindhoven did very nice work on surface passivation of crystalline silicon solar cells by ALD. So we quickly shifted focus to that topic, and we did some process development there and equipment development, and this led to the spin-off of a company called Solitech in 2010. After that, we shifted focus to spatial ALD for large area and flexible electronics, including roll-to-roll ALD, and that's what we have been doing until now. And since last year, we are the shared research program Spatial ALD within Holst Centre. I joined in 2009, so when the project started as a process engineer, and I've been involved ever since. At the moment, we have two spatial ALD tools installed. One is the small-scale lab setup, which is basically the same as the one we built in 2009, a slightly improved and updated version. We have a home-built roll-to-roll spatial ALD system, which is 30 centimeter wide. Both of them are full atmospheric pressure reactors. And in end of summer, we will install a sort of Gen 1 size sheet-to-sheet spatial ALD tool, which we purchased from Smith Ovens. And we actually do not have conventional ALD machines in our labs, only spatial ALD machines. We have one group, one ALD team, and we all work on more or less the same topic, which is spatial ALD for large area and flexible electronics. And this includes photovoltaics, thin film photovoltaics, OLED lighting, OLED displays, maybe even thin film batteries. And that's we all work on the same topic. Okay, so for us, the spatial LED for surface passivation of solar cells and the formation of Solitech was, of course, a highlight. Also, the development of the roll-to-roll ALD machine was also, yeah, we are very proud of that as well. Recent highlight is our work on, at least how I see it, our work on indium gallium zinc oxide and related materials by spatial ALD. We really see this as a very promising technology for oxide electronics and display applications, where these kind of materials are used in backplanes. Well, we work very closely together with industry. We are a shared research program, and actually we are a sort of open consortium where we work together with industrial partners, and we prefer to bring together the entire value chain, so precursor suppliers, substrate suppliers, equipment manufacturers, and end users, where together in this consortium we work on the topic, we share the costs, we share the risks, and we share the results. And this way we believe that we can very efficient, both cost efficient and time efficient, develop new technology and reduce the time to market. And so the industrial partnerships with industry is very important for us. Well, I think that our interaction with ALD community is very good. There aren't that many spatial ALD labs at the moment, so it would be nice if there would be more next to corporate labs, maybe also universities and other research institutes, because we would like to work with them together as much as we can, because also that is very important to bring the technology further and to make the technology more mature. That's a very good question. It depends a little bit on how you define maturity. You can buy spatial ALD equipment from several suppliers. Several production scale spatial ALD machines have been installed for the crystalline silicon solar cell market. I think last week Vico announced that they have sold a fast ALD tool to a large Korean player, which is rumored to be Samsung. So to that extent, equipment is available. If we look at processes and materials, so in our lab and also in other labs, we have tried many different materials, many different precursors, and so far we haven't stumbled upon a material or a process that we cannot do. But is spatial ALD being widely used in industry at the moment? The answer is no. And the reason for that is, well, it is still a relatively new technique. Equipment manufacturers are only now taking up this technique. And spatial ALD is mostly used in development of really new applications in fields of thin film photovoltaics and OLED lighting and OLED displays. And instead of the more classical applications of ALD. And that's why I think that in the coming years we will see a much wider industrial implementation of spatial ALD. Well, we are always looking for new partners, both industrial and academic, and we foresee and we hope to grow in the coming years. So growing in number of team members, but also in equipment. I mentioned the sheet-to-sheet tool that we will install after summer, and well, I'm looking forward to this coming time where we will expand our activities. I think well, spatial ALD holds a lot of potential, and there is a lot of interest from various industries and markets at the moment. I think we will have to work very hard. We have to keep on working very hard to make ALD live up to the potential and to be successful in these applications. And I'm also looking very much forward to that because I believe spatial ALD has a large potential. And I see a bright future for it. What I've often seen the past few years is that we are approached by people and companies who are interested want to know what ALD is and how they can use it. And most of them are completely unfamiliar with ALD and the applications of ALD and the players in the field. And I think there's a need for let's call it a portal, where these people can find information about what ALD is, what you can use it for, and what you can't use it for, also very important, and who is active in the field and how they can reach them to ask questions and to talk about their challenges. And I think ALD Pulse can play a very good role in this aspect, so I would say keep up the good work. I would like to use this opportunity to say that the call for abstracts for the AVS 61st International Conference and Exhibition is open, and there will be many very interesting ALD related sessions during the AVS meeting. And there's one specific session, and I have to that is atmospheric roll-to-roll and other manufacturing advances in ALD. That's a session during the coming AVS conference. So if you're working on spatial ALD or related topics, please send your abstract and come to listen to what we expect to be very interesting talks during the AVS conference. And of course, I would like to see you all at the ALD conference in Kyoto in June in Japan.